Today we're going to be talking about a delicious indulgence. Today's recipe is pork spare ribs. So let's get to it. First, take 2 kilos of ribs and cut them into individual pieces. Place the ribs into a resealable bag. Next, combine half a cup of Hon-Sin sauce, a third of a cup of rice wine vinegar, a quarter of a cup of honey, a quarter a cup of soy sauce, crush 3 garlic cloves and add to the mix, and finally a quarter cup of water. Mix until completely combined. Place in a bag and put in a bowl and refrigerate for several hours or overnight, turning the bag occasionally. When you're about to prepare, preheat an oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 150 in a fan-forced oven and place the ribs into a large baking dish. Cover with aluminium foil and bake for 1.5 hours. Next, about 10 minutes before the ribs are cooked, grab a small pan and put in half a cup of marmalade and bring to the simmer and reduced by half. Next, remove the pan from the oven, remove the foil off the dish and brush the ribs with the marmalade. Bake uncovered for a further 30 minutes or until the marmalade is dark and sticky. Serve ribs with potato wedges and salad as desired. Just a couple of little tips. Make sure that you've got a spare plate for the bones and also plenty of serviettes. This is a little bit on the sticky side and you'll certainly need to wash your hands after eating this dish. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. This has been Philip's Cooking Recipes, and check out the video that I've got in the right hand corner. Bye for now.